Welcome to Section 2, Analytical Dashboards. In the previous section, we got up and running with Power BI Desktop, learning about its desktop-to-web workflow and creating an interactive report, KPIs, tooltips, and legends. In this section, we will create an analytical dashboard. This will allow us to explore time series charts, heat maps, slicers, parameters, and data export. In this video, I'll describe the example we'll be building. In the next video, we'll create some time series charts, building on what we learned last section. After that, we'll check out a couple of heat map charts available as custom visuals. We'll enable our analysts to explore a tax scenario using slicers and parameters. Finally, we'll see how to export data from Power BI. So now I'll introduce the Analytical Dashboard example. Analytical dashboards are aimed at domain experts and analysts who want to deeply understand their data. Hallmarks include trend analysis, drill down, interactive slice and dice exploration, and what-if questions. To this end, we'll build upon the pharmacy data and KPIs we started in Section 1. We'll start by creating some time series charts, which will offer both analytics and drill down. Specifically, we'll look at the waterfall chart, area chart, and ribbon chart. We'll then check out two custom visuals that will allow us to create heat maps. Heat streams is a time series heat map visual. Heat map is a geographic heat map visual. Once we've built all that, we'll extend it with a tax scenario to see how Power BI lets analysts explore what-if questions using parameters and slicers. Finally, we'll see how analysts can look directly at the data both inline within a report or by exporting it to CSVs. Here's a look at the completed report. The Baseline tab starts with our KPIs, adding time series charts with filtering, drill down, and trend analytic capabilities. The Tax Scenario tab includes a slider slicer that lets us see the effect of an increasing tax rate. We can also slice by company. Finally, the Heat Maps tab lets analysts break down sales by company, time, and geographic location. It features the Time Brush custom visual slicer.